Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Iqbal. As in the earlier video we have learned how to implement DAO layer in the JDBC. So in the earlier video we have learned how to fetch the data by using the DAO layer in the JDBC. If you haven't watched that video, you can go to the playlist and watch from there. So now we are going to understand how DAO layer is going to implement while inserting the data. How we are going to add some data in the database by using the DAO layer. Here I am using the same project that we have used in the earlier video. So in the earlier video we have learned how to fetch the data by using the DAO layer. Now here I am removing that DAO.getEmployee because here I am not going to fetch the data. Here I am going to add some data. Now after creating the employee object, first of all we will see in our database what are the attributes that are present in the employee table. As you can see here, there are three attributes: employee ID, employee name, and role. So here I am going to add the data in the database, all that three attributes. Now I am going to add employee ID as 103, employee name, employee role. It should be ROLE, but by mistake I wrote here ROLL. Here I am giving the role as tester, and now we have to add that employee. So I am writing DAO.add employee. As you can see here, we are getting error that add employee method is not created. So I am writing add employee method here. As we know, in the JDBC we have to implement some steps. The first one is that we have to load the driver and we have to connect the driver. To connect that driver, I am using connection con inside the class. So I am writing connection con equal to null here, and I am removing connection from here, as already we have declared that one. And now I am going to create one method connect, and in this connect method I want to load the driver and get the connection. After implementing these steps, I have to write the query. To write the query, I am writing string query insert into employee values. After writing the query, we have to write the prepared statement. So I am writing prepared statement. Con.prepared statement. And now we have to set that attributes. So I am writing st.set int. First attribute is eid, and this should be belongs to the em2.eid. The second one is st.set string. It should be second column and ename. em2. And the third one is st.set string, third column with em2. Role. And now we have to execute the query. So I am writing st.execute update, because here we are updating the table only. After writing this statement, now we have to connect the connect method here. So I am writing DAO.connect method. Now let's save the program. Before executing the query, first of all we will see in our database what are the data that are present in our database. So these are the data that are present in our database: 101 employee ID and 105 employee ID. So now here we are adding employee ID 103, employee name Sajid, and role is tester. Now let's run the program. What we are getting the output. Let's see in our database that we successfully add our data in the database or not. As you can see here, 103 Sajid tester, these data are present in the database. So this is the way how you can add the data by using the DAO layer. And one more thing is there, if you want to remove some data in the database by using the DAO layer. So how you can do that one? So simply you can write in place of add employee, you can write DAO dot remove. And now which data that you want to remove? Suppose I want to remove the data whose employee ID is 105. So I'm writing I'm 105. As now again we have to create a method of remove. So I'm going to write a remove method here. And after that we will write a query delete from employee where eid equal to eid. And here I am going to write eid. On the basis of eid only I am going to remove the data. After writing the query, we have to write prepared statement. So I'm writing prepared. And now we have to execute the query. So I'm writing execute update. Now let's run the program that we are going to remove the data from the database or not. This shows that we are not getting any error. Now let's check in our database that we are successfully remove the data or not. As you can see here, we have removed the 105 employee ID. This is the way how you can remove or add in the database by using the DAO layer. So thank you for today. In the coming lecture, we will understand what is Hibernate and how Hibernate is going to work in the Java program. There we will do some practicals on Hibernate also. So thank you for now. Hope you like it. See you soon in the next video.